Hey, it's Mike with Fast Track Auto Mall. Nice. Hey, there goes another one. But anyways, today we're looking at a 2013 Toyota Camry Sport Edition. That Lancer is going to be up for grabs here soon. Nice alloy rims. I like that even though they went with Sport, they didn't go super high profile with the tires, so you get good wear on them. You only got single exhaust, but it feels like you got dual exhaust because you can cook in this thing. I was surprised. Let's take a look at her opened up. Struts so that there's no hanging mechanism. Makes life a little bit easier. Like I said, there's that dent in the wheel well. Tires are good for about a year. Nice kind of two-tone, part cloth, part leather setup. The interior, little metallic accents there. Rear tire, about the same, a little bit better tread. Sorry, let me go back to this door. We can see here, this might be able to be buffed out. I mean, not perfect, but a lot better anyways. Looking at the trunk, good size. You got your two pulls here, 60-40 split row seating. Spare tire kit, nice enough, and a nice folded foam mount section there. Hooks in the cargo, so if you ever need to latch anything down. Rear wheel. Rear passenger door. Taking a look on the inside. One-touch auto for the drivers. Hold it for the passengers. Everything's working. Except. Okay, I'm dumb. That's fine. There we go. Just had to push the button a little harder. That's fine. That's life. Locks, unlocks. Good. Mirrors. We'll check them. Passenger or driver's good. Passenger check-in. All right. For the seats, recline, lumbar as well. Kind of see a chunk out there. Stretch the fabric. Again, there's that two-tone fabric setup where it's like leather on the outside and cloth on the end, and it holds you in the seat good when you're moving. And she can really cook, like I said. The Sport Edition, they did nice, One thing, there he goes with the gas tank and the trunk release. There's your hood release, by the way. But anyways, one thing I really like about this is the paddle shifters, being able to bring it into electronic stick shift and just kind of ride it out. It really did tune this very nice overall for the drive experience. It's like people get Camrys forever, they get sick of looking at them and stuff, and they're kind of boring, but they last forever. They tried to give you a little bit more with this edition, and I see it definitely. When we look at the steering wheel controls, again, we have the paddle shifters when you move it into electronic stick shift. You have your controls for the radio to go to AM, FM, go through the modes, Bluetooth, and then up and down. I'll take you through presets, for example. I'll show you here kind of so you can see both. So you can go down through those on the radio and then go into FM, AM, and then if you had a Bluetooth device hooked up, you would just continue on to it. You can actually go mode here and then hold it to mute, so that part's nice. There's your telephone controls. see what else do we got. So over here on the radio, it's touch screen, so you can just go through and touch it. Hey. So anyway, the radio's touch screen, so you can go through different stations. There we go. She's working.
At Metro,
bring her back down. Seek through the tracks. There's your phone controls as well. If you want information on your car, you can get that here by pushing car. You can go to your history and see where you're, basically driving, and you can see how good you're doing. Where's your best miles per gallon? That's a nice thing. For the air conditioning, I already had her on, but for the air conditioning, it's going good. There's your clock here. You can set it by the minute and hour. There's a little storage compartment here. Let's see. We got USB aux. Can you see that? It's kind of hard. Anyways, you got power and a USB aux here in the center console. The shifter, you can take it down here into manual. You can use the stick shift to move it up and down within this section, or you can use the paddle shifters. Another little compartment, power again, so power. Let's look one more. And we have a nice center storage compartment, decent size. For the rear view mirrors, you also have the sunshade that can kind of, give you a little extra. The mirrors, no lights on this one. And then glove box, lockable. There you go. And there's your traction control. You just turn that off and you'll be able to feel a little bit of rubber with this thing. Again, the Sport Edition really gives you nice power. You want to turn this off from time to time. You'd enjoy it. Again, taking a look at the back seats. You got a center console arm that comes down there. Cup holders, a little side storage area. Both of the seats have storage in the end. And again, the seats themselves, the 60-40 split row, there's child hooks there for if you need to put in a child seat, so that takes care of that. And there's a good amount of storage, especially considering that the seats go down, so this can get you over a lot of humps in terms of moving things.